Hi everyone, my name is Sharon McGee. My presentation will be about social media influences, whether it is a trend or a career. My personal belief, it is a career. There are many people who have made a great living from being a social media influencer. You need followers that trust you, and you can change the way people purchase things. You can change things at work. You can change things for your business. You can change places and things in your community. I just want to show you some of my subscriptions. I love YouTube because I love the how-tos, and I get a lot of information from YouTube. So if you look, well, my niece, she watches the Pinkfong Baby Shark all the time, so that's always on go when she's with me. I love this blog from this young man who was divorced, and his podcast is called Dear Future Wifey. I also love the Young Lady Business, Kiara Shears, Jonathan, Vincent Bohem, and then there's many other. I have like 134 subscriptions. Uh, Man TV, the Sunday School Lady, Anthony O'Neill. He talks about money. There's so many, and of course, that's my daughter right here below. If you look where my pointer is, that's my daughter. She's new and upcoming. So like, share, and subscribe. And if you didn't know who was the original social media influencer, before we were all into the smartphones, it was Oprah Winfrey. You know that anytime she talked about a business or had her favorite things list, that business just took off because everybody wanted the same thing that Oprah liked. So she was the first original social media influencer. Just take a look at all of these social media influencers. This article tells us who's a social media influencer. It also talks about what they did, and it's like these are the highest social media influencers. I don't know a lot of these people, but because of their followers, she has 29 million followers. So can you imagine Cameron Dallas? He has 21 million followers. Kayla Itzine, she has 10.5 million followers. Cooking with Mima, she has 2.4 million followers. Selena Gomez, she um she has 144 million followers. There are many people who are social media influencers, and they do get paid for it. There is a YouTube video that I featured, and a young lady explained how people get paid for their videos. So it's not only YouTubers, but it's Instagram, it's LinkedIn, it's Facebook, it's Twitter. Um, what else is out there? It's all the different social media mediums that these people are on to make sure that their content is out there. And they use each of these social media platforms and adjacent to one another to just advertise. Like, oh, they say like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to follow me on Instagram. So you're following them on Facebook, you're following them on Instagram, TikTok, whatever it is. So it is social media influencers are more than it's more than a trend. It is a career. This has been a difficult feat to finish.